welcome to my channel. This is Ask Physio Ellie. Today I'm going to show you guys a beginner level of Tabata workout. So this workout lasts just 4 minutes and has 8 exercises. So Tabata is a form of high intensity interval training, so HIIT, that's been proven to burn calories quickly. In a Tabata workout, each round lasts 4 minutes. It requires 20 seconds of all-out intensity followed by 10 seconds of rest, repeated 8 times. And when I mean all out, I mean all out. We're talking about 100% maximum effort for every exercise. So Tabata improves metabolism and is great for fat burning. The excess post-exercise oxygen consumption effect for Tabata occurs immediately after the workout. So you keep burning the calories even after your workout. Now, Tabata is not easy at all, but it's a great way to push your body to its limit in just minutes. It is the perfect workout to do if you don't have much time, and you'll burn an incredible amount of calories and obtain a full body aerobic and anaerobic workout. So are you ready to do this workout with me? Let's get started.
So we have 8 exercises to go through today. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest in between each one. First up, we have chest pulls with toe taps.
Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed.
Take a little break. Get ready for the next exercise, high knees. Now you can see that I have a jumping component in this high knees exercise. So if you cannot jump, you may take out that jumping component and simply just lift your knee high. So lifting knees high up instead of jumping and lifting the knees high. Another 10 seconds break. Up next, we have squats. Now I'm going to show you guys from the side that when you do the squat, make sure your knees are not over your big toes. You try to keep your back straight. Keeping your bum back. And break again. Let's get ready for some jumping jacks. Now, if you're not able to jump, and you see that I'm trying to jump on a softer surface, and you can jump on carpet, you can have a mat underneath when you're doing jumping jacks. If not, you cannot jump, then simply just do the modified version of the jumping jacks. And next, we have knee lift with a diagonal pull down. So we'll do the one side first for 20 seconds.
Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve.
Take a 10 seconds break and then we will do the same exercise but on the other side. Let's go. Pull and lift. Pull and lift. Max effort. Okay, rest.
Fight to strive. One day I'll have
Then we have quick feet. So give me all you got. Maximum effort. Quick feet.
Anybody else who tests me, I'm ready. Looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming. Ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year.
10 seconds. Break again.
No budget, from nothing to something.
Now everyone, don't forget to breathe when you're exercising, okay? So don't hold your breath. Now we are going to do opposite toe touches. So you see that there is jumping components in this one as well. If you cannot jump and there you have joint pain, then you can do the modified version of this opposite toe touches first. Then gradually, as you are able, you can improve yourself and add the jumping component.
So that was a 4-minute intense workout, wasn't it? I hope everyone enjoyed this beginner level of the Tabata workout. If you would like to challenge yourself next, then you must stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, as I would have more workout routines for all of you coming out, including more challenging levels of Tabata workout in the near future. Now, you may also check out my website here at www.cesphysiorehab.com. And anyone that has questions related to healthy lifestyle, weight management, feel free to comment down below or just contact me directly. Otherwise, I will see you all next time.